Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best condenser microphones that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Blue Snowball Ice Condenser Microphone. The Blue Snowball Ice is a high-quality condenser microphone that delivers premium quality sound performance. The custom condenser capsule offers crystal-clear audio for Skype, messages and FaceTime. Its cardioid polar pattern reduces pickup of sounds from the sides and rear, improving the isolation of the desired sound source. It has a frequency response of 40 to 18 kHz. The Snowball Ice is a USB 2.0 device, USB 3.0 compatible as per USB 3.0 backward compatibility specification. It is very easy to set up as you just plug it and play directly to your Mac or PC without the need to install any drivers. It is suitable for recording instruments or vocals, adding crystal clear audio to recordings for YouTube as well as creating podcasts and add narration to your home movies. It is also Skype certified so that you can get noise-free video calls. Moving on at number 4, we have Fifine Condenser Microphone. The Fifine Metal Condenser Recording Microphone is a USB microphone that is compatible with both Mac and Windows operating systems. It comes with an additional volume knob, having loud volume output and high sensitivity, ensuring that your voice would be heard well enough when gaming, Skyping or recording your voice. The Fifine condenser microphone has a cardioid polar pattern which captures your voice properly, producing clear, smooth and crisp sound without static noise. It also makes the microphone suitable for gamers and streamers as it can isolate the sounds from the main source and separate them from any background noise. At number 3, we have Xingyu Condenser Microphone Kit. The Xingyu Condenser Microphone Bundle is a kit that includes a BM800 condenser microphone with an adjustable mic suspension scissor arm stand, a metal shock mount and a double-layer pop filter for studio recording and broadcasting. In addition to that, it features an anti-wind foam cap, a power cable and a sound card. The Xingyu BM800 features a thin material diaphragm or capsule, which vibrates and sends a signal to the output, providing a very accurate and highly detailed sound reproduction. Its wide frequency response, 20 to 20,000 Hz, makes it a suitable mic to capture vocals, acoustic guitars, acoustic pianos and even strings, as the condenser microphone is able to take an accurate snapshot and capture all the subtleties and nuances inherent in these instruments. At number 2, we have Rode NT-USB Condenser Microphone. The Rode NT-USB is a versatile studio-quality USB cardioid condenser microphone that is made for recording singing and musical performances in addition to spoken applications such as podcasting and voiceover. It is USB bus-powered, which makes it convenient and easy to set up. It is compatible with mainstream recording applications on both Windows and Mac OS-based computers, as well as the Apple iPad using Rode Rec, GarageBand, or any other recording app that accepts an external microphone. The body of the NT-USB features a zero-latency stereo headphone monitoring, 3.5mm jack, which allows you to monitor the microphone input in real time, along with dials to adjust the monitoring level and mix between the computer, iPad audio and the microphone input. And finally at number 1. Neewer Northwest 800 Condenser Microphone. The Neewer Northwest 800 is a professional condenser microphone for studio broadcasting and recording. Its cardioid polar pattern allows it to capture rich, full-bodied sound from sources that are directly in front of the mic. It incorporates a precision electronic circuit to eliminate the crossover distortion and harmonic distortion. It features a good cardioid pickup output and high sensitivity, while maintaining the noise levels very low. Its wide dynamic range makes it versatile. The Neewer Northwest 800 has fashionable design with elegant appearance, and it comes in plain black color. The choice of materials along with its metal construction ensures both sturdy build quality and durability. The set includes a black professional condenser microphone, a microphone shock mount, a ball-type anti-wind foam cap and a microphone power cable. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.